Hello. While back now today, we have Gantt Chart WBS Excel templates for helping teams understand tasks, timeframes, and workflows. They are valuable for organizing and communicating project management details efficiently. In the interface, we have all the worksheets in the Gantt chart. On settings, you can add this start date and this priority. Type and status are automatically calendar. Setting you can choose choose the days of work. You choose yes or no. For exclude weekday, if you only this, of course, you can choose this day holiday. In the allocated to employees field, you can add the name and tasks to determine performance of tasks in Gantt WBS. Now we move on how to add the task in Gantt Chart WBS. In the task plan, add the task priority and choose the type automatically in the checklist. If you want to modify that, you can modify it in the settings menu. Then you add a task description and administrator. Now, determine the time it takes to complete the task and the IDs of your ancestors. Then choose the status of the task. Notes can also be added to the task. All the information of your project you can show in the Gantt chart for analyze and check all the task of project. You have section panel for filter all the tasky and shaw in your Gantt chart. This section about make fast decision in your time in task project. You can shaw priority, status a phase E, milestone task and subtask in your Gantt type. You can modify anything in your Gantt chart because it contains an interactive interface and user interface, and you will find all the tasks specific to the project. In the calendar section, you can show all project events. You can filter the year and month. You can filter the task priority, the name of the administrator, and the status of the project. You have task to notify you and track the completion and start of task. In the last section of Gantt Chart WBS is the dashboard. In the section you have filter all the tasks of your project by days or years. In the dashboard, you can show total of task milestone double, days spent, total task completed automatically in your project. And you have filter of each task if to need for analyze. Thank you for watching. To get more information. To download Gantt Chart WBS, visit our site web in this link.